Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today on Matt's World DIY, we are installing brand new gutters on this house. Whether you're a homeowner who's just curious about the process, or if you are tackling this job yourself, you'll want to stay with us because we're going to go over this process step by step. I also have the owner of the company with us today who's going to explain what is involved in professional gutter installation. If your house doesn't have gutters, you may see a line alongside of the edge of your house where rainwater, while it's falling off the roof, is pounding onto your yard and potentially eroding away the soil that's holding your foundation together. And if that happens, you could jeopardize the integrity of the structure of your foundation, which is going to cost you a lot of money down the line to repair.
The name of my company is Vega Roofing Solutions, LLC. I am located in New Braunfels, Texas. I do service the surrounding areas, which is like San Antonio, Austin, San Marcos, Seguin, Bernie. So I do have a website, www.roofingwithvega.com. And I also do have a TikTok as well, and I also have a Facebook.
One of the first steps involved in setting up gutters for your home is taking accurate measurements. When the team is doing this, they're also looking to see where exactly they're going to be placing the downspouts. In this particular case, we have 3 downspouts on either side of the house, one in the front, one in the middle, and one in back, and that's done on both sides of the home. The process for forming the gutters was something I was particularly interested in, and that process involves this roll of sheet metal that is fed into this machine that they have in the backside of their van. And what happens is, as the metal comes out, it is formed into the perfect shape for your gutters. After the appropriate amount of metal has come out and formed the gutter, they'll attach an end cap where needed and seal the ends with a really industrial strength caulking. Next, we're going to add the hidden hangers, and they're placed on the inside of the gutter so you can't see them from outside. They're placed 2 feet apart for maximum strength and holding it to the side of your house. Next, downspout drain holes are marked and cut. This is a really important step that's done correctly because you want to make sure that the gutters have appropriately placed exits for the water so that you don't end up having standing water in your gutter, which can create all kinds of other hassles later down the line. I was totally amazed at how well this guy he cuts the perfect circle from underneath this sheet metal. I can't even do that on a piece of paper, but after that's done, they seal it with caulking, place all of the hangers in the location that they need, and then cut the other downspout drain holes. I was so fascinated with the skill of this gentleman. He was just so amazing, and very friendly staff too that works for Vega Roofing Solutions. Now it's time to place and hang the gutters on the side of the house. You see how it's one big piece. This is what seamless gutters are. You're not going to have the risk of any sort of breaks in the line of the material for water to drip out of later down the line. So this is why seamless gutters are ideal. And this team makes sure that everything is secured totally well, both with the caulking and with these screws that they're putting up. And you can tell also that if you're trying to do this job by yourself, I would definitely have a partner to work with, because this is not a one-man job if you're trying to put in seamless gutters all by yourself. Now it's time to attach the downspouts. The first thing that they do is they put support straps against the home, so that'll hold the downspout in place. But they also have to add elbows just to form where the pathway for the water to exit the gutters. And once they have those in place, they use these little metal tapping screws to hold everything together and secure, so that you don't end up having your gutters falling off of the house or separating from each other. And another thing is, before they finish everything up, they use this special caulking that they were using for those downspouts. They use that all through wherever there is a seam of, like, let's say you have an inside corner or an outside corner, anything like that, so that there's no water leaks whatsoever. I cannot say enough great things about this company. Number one, the gutters look great. They make sure to color match it to your home. You get the choice, and they're a wonderful team to work with. Communication was just extraordinary, and the job got done really quickly. Trustworthiness and honesty is something we're all looking for, and you can find that in this company of Vega Roofing Solutions. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.